Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, and in this video we're going to be making some curry shrimp. I'm going to show you how I do it my way. For this meal we need an onion, a white onion, some green onion, and this green onion, guys, I picked from my recent how to start a herb garden. This green onion is from that garden that I just started in a cup recently. You can check out that video. Okay, I'm also going to use some Kirkland brand of red crushed pepper, some Kirkland brand of black pepper. I'm going to be adding some better pack curry into this as well. And this is east side, sorry, fish seasoning that I'm going to be putting on this curry dish, okay? And the shrimp that I'm using is actually a Kirkland brand of raw shrimp, deveined and peeled. So I'm not going to use the whole bag. There's about 50 to 70 in the whole bag. I'm just going to use half the bag. Okay, so let's figure this out and get started. Okay, so my friends, to get started, let's peel the onion. I'm just going to cut off the ends of this onion, and this is a medium-sized onion that I'm using. Okay, let's peel off the skin, and I'm going to chop this up small. Okay, this is a quick meal, guys. It doesn't take long for shrimp to cook, so it's one of those fast meal. If you are in a hurry, need to be somewhere, this is a quick meal to make. Okay, so let's do it. So here we go. I cut up the onions. So now we're gonna try and cut up we're just gonna cut up some garlic, and I have 3 cloves of garlic. Okay, so let's cut up the garlic. I hope everyone is doing well and keeping themselves safe. I'm hoping all this comes to an end soon. This COVID-19 comes to an end soon. And yeah, so this recipe, my friends, is also one of those recipes that my family loves. I personally does not eat shrimp because I seems to have developed an allergy to it. So I don't no longer eat shrimp. But my family love this recipe, so I often make it. So it's one of those recipes that's tried, tested, and true. Okay, so I'm gonna use up some garlic. Sorry, some green onion from my herb garden. So let's chop up the green onion. And that's all the fresh stuff I'm gonna use for now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is get it ready to cook. Okay, my friends, I'm ready to get this meal started. Okay, so I've put some oil in the pot, and this is regular canola oil, and I put in about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm going to add some better pack curry, and I'm going to put maybe 1 tablespoon of curry in the pot. Okay, stir it around. You should see that beautiful color of curry. I'm just going to turn on the stove for a bit. Okay, my friends, the curry is in the pot. As I just showed you, I'm going to add my onion, scallion, and garlic in the pot. Okay. I'm going to turn, sorry guys, I'm just going to turn. You should see what beautiful color this is. Okay. So there it is. It's starting to cook up nicely. Now the shrimp, as I said, is from Costco. It has been deveined and the tail has been chopped off, okay? So it's still frozen. I just rinse it off a bit and I'm putting it in the pot. Now the water from the shrimp, guys, will thaw out, so not to worry, okay? It will thaw out. It's still frozen. So now I'm going to add some black pepper. You can add as much black pepper as you want or as little as you want, okay? I'm going to put my Kirkland crushed peppers in as well. Now, as I said, I like my food spicy, so I usually add lots of pepper. And for curry shrimp, you want to give it a little bit of kick, right? So now I'm going to put in the fish seasoning as well on it, okay? Here we go. It smells wonderful in the house. Okay, I hope you can see that wonderful colors that's shining through. I'm just going to stir this up a little bit. It's shrimp cooks very easily, so it won't take any time to cook. And the water from the frozen shrimp will cook it nicely, okay? So I'm going to turn this down, put a lid on it for a little bit, and let's see, maybe in 10 minutes we'll come back. It's on medium to low. I know I should not be using a spoon in the wok because it scrapes up the pot, but okay. Okay, so I'm going to get the lid, cover this for about 10 minutes, and then we can get back, okay? So my friends, I have the lid on here, and as I said, I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes, but I forgot to put the fish bouillon cube in it as well. So let's drop that in there. And as I said, shrimp is quick to cook. You just want it to get a little bit of color, and since it's frozen, you just want it to thaw out a bit, and it should be good. You should see all this wonderfulness in the pot. I hope you can see it. The shrimp is still frozen. So we're going to turn it down the stove and let this cook for 10 minutes. Okay? Okay, my friends. This has been 10 minutes since our meal has been cooking. Okay? The shrimp has been cooking for 10 minutes now. Look at that wonderfulness. The stove is still on medium. I hope you can see that wonderful color of the curry. That really makes a difference, right? So with shrimp, my friends, you do not want to cook it too long, okay? Because if you cook it too long, it gets a little bit hard, and that's not what you want. As I said, it doesn't take any time at all for shrimp to cook. This looks good. Now I'm going to thicken the gravy a little bit. I mean, this gravy is good enough, but I like when the gravy is a little bit thicker. So I have a little bit of cornstarch here. I'm going to take some of the gravy from here, mix it in this cornstarch, and then add it. Okay, we don't need too much, and that will thicken up our gravy a little bit. Okay, and that, my friends, see, the gravy is a little bit thicker. Oh, it smells wonderful in here. And that's basically it. Okay, this meal is now done. I'm going to turn off the stove. Oh, I'm going to show you something. The shrimp is cooked and nice and pink. See that loveliness? Okay. And the curry just makes it so nice. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the stove. I'm going to plate this and show you what it looks like. Okay. It's my friend, the curry shrimp is all done, and I paired it with some plain white rice. Okay, so this is it. I hope you try this recipe. It's wonderful. It's yummy. It only took me maybe about half an hour to cook both it and the rice. Okay, so don't forget, not everyone that wanders is lost, and always strive for something better. Thank you for watching.